Hello friends, this is a small update on some of my cacti with entering their dormancy. This is their dormant period in which they'll be going. This is November, and obviously they will all be dormant in the few weeks from now. They'll be undergoing winter rest, and they'll be bouncing back with flowers in the early spring and the springtime that will come next year. This is November, and gradually they'll go to sleep. So I am withholding watering also. Almost I have withheld a lot of watering that is done obviously during the summer months and during the springtime. Gradually the watering has been stopped by me, and I have been just watching them and seeing if there are any problems, any bugs, any spiders that might be coming in, because now they will be almost inactive over a period of time, say 2 to 3 months. They won't uh, do any activity. They'll only come to, I would say, flowering once the springtime comes. So they have settled in, some seeds are there, and some of the plants are already sleeping. Some of them have started in the sleeping mode. So these are some of my cacti which have already decided to go to rest. Obviously not forever, but for the time being. So this is it. These are some of my seed grown Astrophytum asteris, which I have already transplanted. They are also resting, and they will go into dormancy, but because they are very small, this will still require some moisture. So I'll be watering them time to time. I will not allow the soil to be completely dry.